Pero to set it up.
Yeah, precisely. Reverse set here. Tulang is denied. One more time, Jaja. Easy up for Hart. They go to Laika here. Inabutan. Toguna. Adante. Underhand pass. Oh, Douglas and drops it in. What a bunot. Mula kay Coach Crom.
Magic bunot talaga.
Ceballos approaching down the line. The Lady Chiefs are back. By Harim Ceballos. Serve. Here's the pass. Pio. Easy pop-up. Chance for Arellano. Ceballos. Who's on? Brings it to Dolorito. Off speed. What a save by Harim. Still alive though. Jonah. Kinargahan. Bumalik. And Arellano takes set number 2. 26-24. Arellano shuts the door on Jonah Dolorito.
Look at that block. Nakapayong talaga.
And now we're all tied up. Now it gets interesting. Set number 3 coming right up.